Let's see how the 3 most annoying office sounds do in a battle against Jabra's Evolve3 75 headset. Number 1, the keyboard warrior. You can hear him typing an email from 3 desks away. But
with Jabra's active noise cancelling, those ambient office noises can't distract me.
Number 2, the weekend broadcaster. He thinks everyone in the office wants to know what you got up to on Saturday. But
with Evolve3's ClearVoice technology, the other end of my call can concentrate on my voice and skip the weekend stories.
And then of course, we have the desk diner. This man can turn opening a bag of crisps into a live performance. But again,
with Jabra Evolve3's technology, it's not a problem for the office.
See, Jabra's Evolve3 range doesn't just eliminate distractions with their active noise cancelling. It also keeps the line clear for those on the other end of the phone, using AI-powered ClearVoice technology, which makes sure your voice is the only thing that they're hearing.